How to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Google Play Store keep stopping error. So if when you try launching the Google Play Store and it keeps stopping, then what you need to do is, in order to fix, first of all, you want to exit out, you want to close all the running application in the background, and then you want to make sure to long press the application, go to the app info section and come to this storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. You could also clear storage. You could just log out. You'll be logged out, but you could log in once again. And now then the last step is to restart the device, and this is gonna fix your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you could also do is you could also try for stopping. So long press and go to the app info section. Make sure to force stop or disable it. That might be able to fix. If not, you could also try disabling any sort of battery optimizer. If you have enabled, that might be able to fix as well. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix Google Play Store keep stopping. And you could also avoid using VPN in some cases as well, or you could also check for an app compatibility as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.